If you're a beginner looking to start programming, you might be wondering which programming language to choose. There are many programming languages out there, each with its own set of features, strengths, and weaknesses. Choosing the right language for your needs can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this article, we'll explore some of the most popular programming languages and help you determine which one is best suited for you as a beginner. 1. Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages, and for good reason. It's easy to learn, easy to read, and has a wide range of applications. Python is a high-level language, which means it's closer to human language than machine language, making it a great choice for beginners. It also has a large and active community, with many resources available to help you learn and troubleshoot. Python is used in a variety of fields, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. If you're interested in any of these fields, Python is a great language to learn. 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web. It's used for front-end web development, making it a must-learn language for anyone interested in web development. JavaScript is also easy to learn and has a large and active community. It's used to create interactive web pages and user interfaces, making it a valuable tool for creating dynamic and engaging websites. 3. Java. Java is another popular programming language, with a wide range of applications. It's used to create desktop applications, mobile apps, and web applications, making it a versatile language to learn. Java is also an object-oriented language, which means it's based on the concept of objects and classes, making it a valuable language to learn if you plan to pursue a career in software engineering. 4. C++. C++ is a powerful language that's widely used in game development, operating systems, and other performance-critical applications. It's a bit more challenging to learn than some of the other languages on this list, but it's a valuable language to know if you're interested in these fields. Conclusion. Choosing a programming language as a beginner can be overwhelming, but it's important to remember that there's no one right language to learn. Each language has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, and the language that's best for you will depend on your goals and interests. Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and Ruby are all great languages to learn as a beginner, and each has its own unique benefits. Ultimately, the most important thing is to pick a language and start learning. The more you practice, the more you'll learn, and the easier it will become.